Doors on here, I see. Yes, sir.
What trying to get it to read this USB?
Oh yeah. What you got running here, man?
4 T213s, all Punch Pro. This is all Rockford.
Whole deal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Except they don't make a 3-inch mid range, so.
Yeah, you had to go with something else. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's an Alpine X. All Rockford amps, T2 2500s.
You built this thing yourself?
My buddy at Auto Stereo.
He did some good work.
He built the box. He built the door panels.
Oh, get up. I was thinking these were some of those ones people are ordering from overseas. I thought this was where they came from.
No.
There's a guy built them right here.
Yeah, I got full bills on my phone. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He got some good work. First time in a demo,
You don't see them.
you don't know.
No, you don't see them at all.
It's got 2 spiders on it. I ain't even.
Yeah, it's a progressive spotter. I don't really know what the purpose of it is.
Yeah, but it works.
I guess it's better cone control, or I'm not sure. You know, to be honest.
See, the guy did a wood roof and everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he makes it look special.
Yeah.
Where's your base out of?
All right, we took the headliner out.
Yeah.
Now I've done very little to this one. Mike done 99% of it. But he took the factory headliner out.
Yeah.
And then, man, I don't know. He's a genius. Out of Clark, it had the stickers in my back window.
Okay.
Out of Clarksville, Tennessee. Auto Stereo.
Okay. I think I know you somebody heavy set guy.
No, he's a little video guy.
Little guy. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I followed you on YouTube.
Okay, where can I follow you at on there?
I don't have any social
you on
media.
Facebook? You know?
I don't have any social media.
Okay, where can I follow your guys that build the box?
Now, Auto Stereo on Facebook.
Auto Stereo.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna tag him in below. Appreciate it, man. I hope I see you next one, man.
I'll show you the
back.
Oh, that's my man. There's water in there if you want one. That's water. That's all that's in there. Deep water. I'll tell you, like this, Pepsi or Gatorade or something there, but Pepsi.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.